Courtney, today we're looking ahead now to the next Fed interest rate decision expected in the next few hours. What do you expect to see? And I have to wonder if there's any political pressure being a factor for Jerome Powell here.
Yes, the countdown is on. I'm getting ready to head over to the Fed in a few hours to cover the interest rate decision. Wall Street overwhelmingly expects that the Fed will keep interest rates on hold. The question is what the Fed is thinking about with respect to the months ahead. Do they see interest rate cuts on the horizon? That is, of course, what President Trump would like to see. I think the question is, does Fed Chair Jerome Powell move at a pace that the president wants to see? Of course, that's not a consideration at all for the Fed. They are an apolitical institution. It is sort of ironic that, the Fed might be interested, would have been interested in cutting interest rates if it wasn't for President Trump's tariffs. We were looking pretty good on the inflation front. The labor market was holding up. There was this environment that would have been perfect to cut interest rates, but now this trade war has reignited inflation fears, and the big question is how the Fed is going to handle that.